OBD2 scanner. It's Bluetooth, costs $120. Go ahead and get this off Amazon. Link will be in the description. Comes with a compatible app built for this, being called the Driver app. It's a diagnostic tool for vehicles. So right here is the device itself. It's super small and portable, something you can just leave plugged into your vehicle at all times. We actually take a look here, we can see this is an older style, which is chunky and big, and the screen is quite small, so it'd be hard to go ahead and look at the data. Right here on the display, we're going to go ahead and see that that's what the app icon looks like itself. When we click into it, it brings us up to the view of the information on here. We can go ahead and see stuff like reading of the codes, clearing codes, reports, freeze frame on data if you're in the live view. Live view would be down here. When you click in here, we have some information showing up with the engine temperature, information about the fuel, along with the calculated load level being placed on the engine. There's also other information you can go ahead and place in through the settings.
Alrighty, so in this vehicle, the Obd2 sensor is under the dash. We go ahead, plug it in, and you can see that blue light has went ahead and emerged. Alrighty, so what we're going to do is we're going to hit read, go ahead and read this and scan to see if we have any codes. So it's currently scanning. So it's coming up with a warning saying we need to update our information, so we'll just hit OK. Alrighty, so now we're in the vehicle, it's all plugged in, everything's connected. We can go ahead and look over the information. So in this situation, the first thing I guess we'll do is we'll go ahead and hit Recode. Yep. So we're going to go ahead and hit read to check for engine codes. It's giving us a warning saying we need to go ahead and update our sensor to provide the best result. So we're going to hit OK. We'll go down here to More, Update Sensor, and we're going to do Check for Updates. It's going ahead and checking. It says an update is available, so we'll hit Update Sensor. It's going to download that update, and then it will install the update. So we'll come back when that's all done.
Okay.
So we're at 100% here, so it's going to go ahead and restart the whole sensor. This could take a moment or so. Now it's going to be reconnecting back to the sensor. And we're all back connected, so it's a pretty seamless process. So we're going to go back to Scan Tool, Read Codes, and this is just basically giving some basic information, what you should check first before going ahead and doing anything. We'll go ahead and hit All System Modules, get all the information. It's scanning. So it's asking us to go ahead and enter a mileage. This vehicle has 269,917. It's 269,000 kilometers, so hit continue. It's saying that there's 4 codes found. So to the 2 engine codes is we have a O2 sensor signal issue, and then we also have another O2 sensor signal bypass. Along with them we have 2 engine codes, once again being the O2 sensors both there. So that's the 4 codes it's stating it's found on the information. So now we're going to go on live mode and we're going to start the vehicle to go ahead and see some information about it. So now that we have this live mode, you can already see some information, like it shows the fuel. It also then goes ahead and shows our engine load value. You can actually see it where it starts to go up and provide some information about the percentage of the load currently sitting on the engine, along with some short-term fuel information and obviously the long-term fuel information.
So first impressions show that it worked well. It was easy to use, provided a decent amount of information. Updating the sensor was seamless, fast, and easy, along with going ahead and receiving the information onto our device.